Hello guys, I have here a Meta Quest 2 headset which I purchased online as a faulty device for parts, and I'll be fixing it in this video. So please stay with me and let's do this. There are timestamps in the video description, so feel free to check it if you're interested in going straight to a particular portion of the video. The Meta Quest 2 headset is a virtual reality headset that gives users the opportunity to experience work and play in virtual or semi-virtual environments. And the Meta Quest 2 headset still ranks high among the top headsets in the VR space. This Meta Quest 2 headset was said to have an issue that keeps the display from staying on when viewing it from the lenses. I proceed to charge it with a USB-C charger to ensure that it is able to hold a charge. After charging it for a while, the indicator light turns green, signifying that it is fully charged and ready to be tested. When I turn it on, I can see the Meta logo displayed on the screen through the lenses, but when I tried it on, I was greeted with a dark screen. My first assumption is that the headset has a software problem and requires a factory reset. Resetting the Meta Quest 2 headset involves turning it off or beginning from when it is turned off and holding down on the volume down button while powering it on. I look in the lenses to view the menu shown here, and I use the volume up and down buttons to move to the factory reset in the list of options. I select it with the power button. On the next page, I select yes, erase and factory reset, and I allow the headset to do its thing. After the reset, I test the headset once more, but the results remain the same. Nothing comes up on the screen after it boots up. Next, I attempt to connect the headset to the Meta Developer app on my Windows PC, hoping to update the firmware. It connects successfully to the app, and for the first time I am able to see the setup page through the lenses. However, the image suddenly disappears each time I reach the setup steps that require working on the headset independently. I am confused at this point and search online to find some clues to the solution. Some solutions I came across spoke about replacing the inner headset plastic covering that houses the face sensor, as the sensor might be damaged. This is a relatively quick and easy fix if you already have the replacement part. And since I had another faulty Meta Quest 2 headset waiting for repair, I decided to try out this solution. The inner plastic covering that needs to be replaced is held by 6 screws that require a Torx T2 bit to remove. 4 screws are located in the top area and 2 in the lower area of the headset. When all 6 screws are unscrewed, I use this plastic tool to release the clip that holds the cover in place. Simply sliding in a flat tool such as this on both sides of the covering releases the clips, and the covering can be raised up from the lower part of the headset. And the latch that holds the connector cable in place can be released to take off the plastic covering and have it replaced. After the successful replacement of these parts, I proceed to test the headset once more, hoping the problem had been resolved. However, the problem still remained. I still have a black screen and no image is displayed when the headset boots up. I came across another solution on the YouTube channel Fix My Oculus, which suggested checking all the cameras on the headset for possible damage, since a damaged camera could result in the headset having problems with tracking spaces. The Meta Quest 2 headset has 4 cameras that can be accessed by unscrewing 5 tiny Phillips screws and simply pulling away at this plastic cover in the front of the headset. After doing this, I decided to examine all my cameras and I realized that the top right camera appeared to be cracked. The other cameras all appear to be okay, hence this might be the only issue affecting the headset's display. Replacing the right camera involves unscrewing 3 tiny screws that hold down the camera. One screw is located here on this bracket, while 2 other screws are accessed by taking off this rubber camera covering. I take off this connector for the speaker, which just needs to be gently lifted to take it off. And I release this latch that holds the camera connector, and I gently pull out the connector. Next, I unscrew the 3 screws holding down the camera. The bracket screw and the camera screws are not the same size, so try to keep them separately. I release the camera connector from this covering to enable me take it off. I gently pull on it and move away these brackets to enable me lift out the camera. The camera is seated on 2 small plastic points and needs to be lifted out gently as demonstrated here. This happens to be the replacement camera from my second faulty Meta Quest 2 headset, so I clean it up before replacing it with a broken camera. I replaced the camera screws, and the camera and mic cables. I replaced the front plastic covering and I replaced the screws. I also replaced the connector of the inner face covering and I snapped it back in place to test the headset's functionality. Powering on the headset and covering the face sensor with a finger lights up the lenses as seen here, showing that the fix was successful. I proceed to set up the headset for use from my mobile device and I am able to cast an image of part of the setup process to my mobile device as seen here. I hope you found this video helpful and insightful. If you did, kindly leave a like and subscribe to the channel for other helpful videos just like this. Thank you for watching and do have a blessed and excellent day. Bye for now.